Hello, so I currently have a cold again. I know that I always have a cold. Every time I travel, I feel like they just erupt when I travel. But anyway, so I'm in Bahrain currently. I checked in yesterday to the Ritz-Carlton, but I've only just had a chance to actually like breathe and have some space because yesterday was very busy. I checked in and then I had lunch and then I went on a desert tour in the afternoon, so I didn't have a lot of time. Anyway, so the room is not perfect because I've got my stuff everywhere, so you'll have to excuse the mess, and obviously I've slept in the bed and it hasn't been made up yet. But anyway, hopefully it gives you an idea of what the room is like, what the hotel's like. So yeah, so anyway, so this is a club level room. It's room 751. So this is the little entrance hallway. You've got a nice shelf here, but to put keys and things when you enter. And then through these double doors is the bathroom. So you've got a beautiful sink area, an amazing big bath. Sorry, my swim clothes are hanging up there. A view through to the bedroom, but obviously these doors here, you can close them for complete privacy. You've got your bathrobe, a nice little shelf area to put things. You've got the towel rail. And then through here you've got toilets and a bidet, and then in here is a gigantic rain shower, and you've got the option of the rain shower head or a normal shower head there. And they also have these gorgeous Asprey toiletries, and the maid very kindly left extra conditioner for me because I have very long hair and I usually need about 2 bottles of conditioner. So anyway, some more of the Asprey toiletries here, and then nice little TV in the mirror there, and then a close-up mirror there, which is handy for makeup. And then coming back through here, this is the little sitting area, and then through here is the walk-in closet, which is nice and big. You've got plenty of hanging space here, another bathrobe, and then full-length mirror, hey! And then safe, drawers to put things, more drawers here, more space under here with obviously dry cleaning and laundry bag. Come back out, and then here is the beautiful big bed. I slept in it last night, obviously, and it was very comfortable. Here's the TV, so you can actually angle it either way. Oh, well, the maid angled it for me, so I'm not sure how to do it myself. Anyway, here's a little sitting area and desk, some beautiful flowers, and then out here is the view, and the view is over the rest of the hotel here, and then the city over there, and then the hotel swimming pools here, and then the hotel also has a beach just around this corner. So there's the downstairs, and then here you've got the mini bar with a coffee machine and a kettle for tea. They also give you loads of complimentary water, so you don't have to worry about asking for more. As you can see, there are bottles dotted all over the place, another one over there. And they also leave one in the bathroom as well, so that you can use one for your teeth. And then they also leave this really handy little card at turn down service, which has the time for the sunrise and sunset and what the temperature is going to be and humidity. As you can see, the humidity max is 90, which is insane. And then it also has the daily prayer schedule if you're Muslim. This is so cute. So yeah, and then this is the lovely big bed. I've tried to make it a little bit more presentable because earlier obviously I'd slept in it, so it was just all over the place. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, I've had the most amazing stay here. This morning I was down at the beach and the swimming, oh, this lighting has gone weird. I was down at the beach in the swimming pool and I've just had a shower, and now I'm going to the spa for a massage. So yes. So I hope you've enjoyed this little room tour, and any questions, just add them to the comments and I'll reply, and then I'll also put a link below to my full review of the hotel. and then watch my Bahrain vlog to see snippets of the hotel pool and beach and what I got up to. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.